Hello everyone, welcome back to Cash App Advisor. Friends, if your Cash App card is getting declined on any platform, then what could be the reasons and what are the possible solutions? In this video, we have explained 15 major problems and their solutions, so stay with the video until the end. Here we have a PDF where we explain all the possible reasons and their solutions. If your Cash App card gets declined on any platform, then make sure to check these 15 points. The first point is to check whether your Cash App card has sufficient balance or not. The second point is to check if your Cash App card is locked. Open your Cash App and check it properly, because sometimes our Cash App card gets locked due to different activities. The third point is internet connectivity problem. Sometimes we are in areas like basements where there are internet or server issues. So you should also check this once. The fourth point is suspicious activity detection. If your Cash App card is being used repeatedly in a short time or on risky websites, then your payment may get placed on hold. So you also need to check this. The fifth point is that the merchant you are trying to pay may not accept Cash App cards. So make sure to confirm this with the merchant once. The sixth point is an expired Cash App card. Before using your Cash App card, check properly whether your card has expired or not. The seventh and most common point is wrong card information. Whenever we use our card somewhere, sometimes we enter incorrect details like the card number, CVV, zip code or other information, and because of that, the payment gets declined. So make sure to check all the details carefully. The eighth point is temporary holds at gas stations and hotels. Sometimes a temporary hold is placed on our Cash App card, because of which we are not able to use it properly at gas stations or hotels. So check this carefully as well. The ninth point is Cash App server issues. For this, you need to check the Cash App status page. If there is any issue with Cash App servers, you can see it there. The link will be available in the description. The 10th point is international transactions disabled. Sometimes international transactions are disabled on our card, because of which we cannot use it outside our country. So open your Cash App and check your international transaction settings once. The 11th point is card not activated. Sometimes we receive a new Cash App card, but it is not activated properly, and because of that, our transactions get declined. The 12th point is spending limit reached. Sometimes our Cash App card has a specific spending limit, and after crossing that limit, our transactions start getting declined. The 13th point is account verification problems. Sometimes our Cash App account is not verified or gets de-verified, and because of that, this issue may happen. The 14th point is merchant category block. There are many merchants already blocked by Cash App, so if you try to use your Cash App card there, your transaction may get declined. Examples include gambling services, crypto-related services, high-risk merchants, and certain financial services. So keep this in mind as well. Apart from this, whenever you log into your Cash App account, if you are using a VPN, your activity may look suspicious, and because of that, your transaction can also get declined. So these were the 15 important points. If your Cash App card is getting declined anywhere, then make sure to check all these points carefully. After that, your Cash App card should work properly on different platforms. If you liked the video, then please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Also, press the bell icon so you can keep getting notifications for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.